Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, Clayton here with Clayton Brown Designs. This is going to be a short intro, basically giving you a brief synopsis of what I'm going to go over here in a series of videos that are basically going to be about taking over your WordPress website. Alright, so to jump right into it, the first thing I recommend is that you have two admins that actually take over doing all of the updates. Anytime anybody at the company needs an update, they go through one of these two people. This way these two people become very fluent in basically doing the updates. You don't have 10 different people trying to figure things out. This will actually just kind of streamline your operation there as far as the updates go. Alright, the next thing I recommend is that you actually hire a web design intern if you can. They're free, they need the experience, and they'll be able to help you with things like this slider. You're going to need, if you create a new slide, to have a very custom sized image here. Alright. Also on some of your pages, such as this page coming up here, the crash, this is a custom size image as well. So one thing I can't really teach you is how to do all this graphic design stuff. That's where you might need somebody to help you out there. Alright, okay, moving forward, one thing you're going to need when you do the edits is going to be a text editor, Notepad, WordPad, whatever your default is on your machine, because I'm going to recommend you back up the hard HTML before you make changes. Okay. Up next, use Google if you have problems. You'd be really surprised what you can find. There is a mass of information out there for troubleshooting problems. Next up, if possible, go ahead and do an HTML refresher. Head to YouTube, type in beginner web design or beginner HTML or HTML course. You'll find all sorts of great stuff that can really help you out. Now, that's just what I recommend. You don't necessarily have to do that. I'm going to make these videos pretty thorough, so you should be able to do most modifications by just watching the videos. Now, how these videos are going to work, I'm going to do very specific videos for very small tasks. The important thing is that you watch the next video understanding the website layout. This way you know where you need to go, which video you need to watch in order to make a modification to a certain place on the website. Okay, so again, now be sure to watch the next video about understanding the website layout. Thanks, guys.